Today we're showing you a 2011 Kubota BX2660 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA243 quick attach front loader. Also comes with the 60-inch belly mower as well. So you're buying the complete package here: tractor, loader, belly mower. And again, it is the BX2660 model. It is a 2011 year model with just under 400 hours. It does have a few scrapes and dings on it here and there. Certainly not perfect on the cosmetics, but it is a very presentable tractor. You have some surface rust around the edges of the deck. Also here in the floorboard, you've got some little bit of surface rust sneaking through there. Overall, again, very presentable tractor, but it is not perfect on the cosmetics. As far as mechanically, the tractor runs and works as it's supposed to. Absolutely no known issues with the machine. It does have good tires on it, and again, it does have that 60-inch belly mower that will go right with the tractor. Has a 2-range HST transmission. Obviously, is a four-wheel drive. Nice seat on it there. Also has 3-point hitch with 540 rear PTO, so you can operate a tiller, box blade, brush cutter, anything to that nature. And the scuff here in the fender. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.